Alright everybody, still at the Cuyahoga County Fair. I was waiting on this horse show, but I don't know if they're having one. I don't know. So I sat up there for a while. So I figured on the way back to the car I would share everything once again with you in case we see something we missed. So let's flip you around. Alright everybody, here we go. Yeah, I was waiting on the horse show, but I don't know what's going on. Maybe we'll catch some of the rides in motion this time. Very hot here, Cleveland, Ohio. Oh, playing some sweet cherry pie there. La 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 la. Hope this video turns out okay. I'm actually holding you now in my left hand and got my beer in my right hand. I've never held the camera like this in my left hand. Let's walk over here. Well, we've seen this ride. Yeah, see, I never did this. I think they're getting ready to go here. Let's see if we could get a better view on this side. The operator's side here. Oh no, we were better on the other side, everybody. I think we'll be alright. I don't know when they're gonna start. Alright, I think he's getting ready to let him go, everybody. I just hope they're locked in there good. Actually, you know what? Let's go this way. There's more back here. I did not realize that. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How about it, folks? Step on up.
I should see if he can guess me. He thinks he can guess your birth date, your age, and your weight. There's another one of them fun houses over there, everybody.
Let's all enjoy the monkey day. Remember, there's no running. Walking through the monkey day.
Alright, here's one of them spooky dark rides.
Here at the Monkey Maze.
The carpetbaggers should be here.
Dad, you can join the kids too. Come on, let's all have fun in the Monkey Maze.
He knows all about these. That's somebody I follow. He travels all around. You should check him out. There goes the... Oh, they're laying down. They're on their bellies, everybody. Like Superman. You know, these rides seem nicer, even though, you know, they're carnival rides, fairground rides. You know, after this weekend, they'll be down and back on a trailer and going somewhere else. But they do seem nicer and safer than back in the day. They seem more trustworthy, let's put it that way. More safer. Nicer, cleaner. So far, been a really nice day here at Cuyahoga County Fairgrounds. Let's see what this does. He's getting ready to turn it on. Let's see what this does. Oh, they're going up quick. They're going the wrong way. Let's go with them. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. All right, back to my ugly face, everybody. Let's go over here and see what's going on. I thought I was gonna make a video of heading back to the car, and I find more rides I wanted to share with you. So we'll end the video back here. We'll only make this 2 videos. I say that now. We'll end it back here at the end of the road, which I thought was the end of the road, back over there. But we got a little roller coaster over here we could check out. Let's go this way. Alright, check this out, everybody. There's a roller coaster here. At the Cuyahoga County Fairgrounds. We'll stand right here and we'll actually get to watch them take off. Of course, like any fair, they're gonna wait till they make sure they got everybody that wants to ride it on there. They're gonna fill it up as much as possible. But there's the ride, everybody. The Hurricane, I believe that says. The sun's in my eyes. We are at the Cuyahoga County Fair in Berea, Ohio. Berea Fairgrounds. Okay, I think he's getting ready to let them loose, everybody. Here they go. Here they go. Good luck. I actually think we're probably in the best spot here. It's not a huge roller coaster. Here they come. Oh, here comes another one already. They don't waste time. All right, let's move on and see what's down here at the very end. Oh, here you throw the... Remember this game? You win a goldfish. I will let you know this. I did ask the police here if they had, because I asked some of the workers and they weren't 100% sure. So I did ask the police if there's a smoking section. And I was honestly told that you're pretty much allowed to smoke here, just be respectful. I mean, which I am, of course. Let's see if they get this ride going. Let these kids on here and let's see if they get this going for us. But I really think now we are at the end of the line, everybody. I don't know if he's going to make them sit there in that ride for an hour to wait for more people or just let it go.
Okay, I'm back. I had to put the Womack on. Put me back in
I actually think I found I just drank a beer. Yeah, I know I'm ready for a cigarette. To be honest with you, everybody, yes, I am. I'm ready. This ride, the origin of fire. Wow, the Ring of Fire. Oh, Johnny Cash. Oh my God. Did you see the new Final Destination movie? Oh Lord. They play that in there. Alright, he's gonna let him go, so we're gonna watch him go in circles. Here we go. Let's see them make it all the way around. There they go. Oh, there they go. Honestly, I would get on these rides now that I see them, but I'm sure they wouldn't let me record, so I would not get on them because I would want to share it with you guys. We could actually go over here and look at the rolls. No food. Alright, I lied. This is going to be another long video. You're going to stick with me till the end, everybody. We're going to head back to the car. And I'm going to flip you around, and I'm only going to say something once in a while. I want you to enjoy the atmosphere of the Cuyahoga County Fairground as we walk back to the vehicle.
There was no ride.
I'm sorry, baby. I got too much ass on the seat.
Yeah, I know. We gotta go to Cedar Point. I won't go.
We will for summer in. Ooh, maybe I'll take it for weekend.
Wait till last year we got me.
I know.
We gotta do it. We gotta do it. I just hope nobody, I hope nobody, like, kicks over my, we gotta do it. We gotta do it, everybody. I just hope nobody.
Hey kids, let's all enjoy the monkey maze. Remember, there's no running. When walking through the monkey maze, be sure your hands are in front of you at all times. When you come down the slide, be sure that you are feet first. Now enjoy yourself here at the monkey maze. Mom, Dad, you can join the kids too.
All right, now, the rest of the way, enjoy the sights and sounds and the atmosphere of a Cuyahoga County Fairground, everybody.
No, we can't call it. No, they're not allowed to play on this.
honey. That was so close. I didn't know who was going to win it. You guys were good racers. Now, honey, these are all my medium prizes. These are all medium. You can pick out any of these. You guys want to race again? You should have taken my lesson.
Welcome to Prime Time Carnival. This is where you buy your tickets and earn them.
It was like Iran or something.
Bye. All right, everybody, that was our day at Cuyahoga County Fair, the Berea Fairgrounds in Cleveland, Ohio.
.kifair.com to download the app today.
I haven't been here in so long. I know the videos are kind of long, especially the first one. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you stuck around. Hope you like, share these videos, and subscribe. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. God bless you all. Peace out. I'll see you soon. I promise.